Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can install the missing DLC packs in Call of Duty Warzone, or how you can fix if you have you have missing DLC packs error on your Call of Duty Warzone 2. So make sure that you stay until the end of this video so you won't miss any important steps. So let's get on it. First, what you can do is you can check if all the files are downloaded. So the error message says you are missing Warzone DLC packs. So the simplest solution would be to make sure that you have them all downloaded. So to do this, you can do the steps right here. So on your console, if you're using any console, you can check it by first go to the installed game and press the options button on PS or the menu button on the Xbox. And then click onto the manage game content and then scroll through the files to see if they have all been downloaded. And then here are the steps to do if you are using a computer. So first what you can do is to open the Battle.net launcher and go to the Warzone 2 game on the launcher. And click on the cogwheel and click again, or click to on modify install and click on the modify install again, and just make sure that the Warzone 2 box is ticked. So, and then next what you can do is to uninstall and reinstall Warzone 2 files. So if you have checked that all files are downloaded and this issue is still occurring, try installing and reinstalling the files, because players have said this issue has worked for them, but it is not a permanent fix. So using this solution will temporarily solve the problem, but you will encounter the error message at a later date. And then what you can do next is check for a game update. Another reason for Warzone 2 missing DLC error is that there is a new update available to download and install. To update your game, you go to the installed game and press the options button on your PS device or the menu button on your Xbox, then select the check for update. And if there is no available, or there is no update available, you will have to use one of the other solutions mentioned in this video. The next what you can do is to install all the language packs. So strangely, other people have discovered installing all the language packs in permanent solution to this problem. And to do this on your console, here is what you will need to do. So if you're using a console, you can follow the steps, and if you're using a personal computer or a computer, you can follow this step. So you can go to the installed game and press the option button on your PS device or the menu button on your Xbox, and then click onto the manage game content and scroll down at the bottom and install the uninstalled language files. And if you're using your PC, go on the Battle.net and click the cogwheel next to the play button and click onto the manage installed from here, and from there just click onto the language or change languages and then select all of the languages. So if this fixes didn't work for you, completely uninstalling the game and downloading it again may also work, but it is not guaranteed. So that's it for this video, and remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.